Now, there is a sign of hope in all of this. The state announcing they will be expanding access to the COVID-19 vaccine yet again starting Tuesday morning, January 19th at 9. Counties that are currently in phase 1B of the rollout, like Maricopa County, will be able to offer the vaccine to those 65 and older. Currently, the age cutoff is 75 years and older. For those looking to make an appointment for the vaccine, we have the website as well as the phone number at the bottom of the screen. We'll have that there during our entire newscast. Here's ABC 15's Cameron Polam with more on what led to the change.
A major move to expand vaccines to more groups across the state of Arizona tonight. The State Vaccine Advisory Committee approving today the recommendations from the CDC that would allow vaccine distribution to those 65 and older.
I would like to get it as soon as possible.
For 78-year-old Frank Luisi, getting the COVID vaccine is critical. On the ground during 9/11, the former stock exchange trader, like so many others, now has lingering health issues.
There were a lot of particles in the air and got into my lungs. I have COPD, emphysema.
He's now on a mission to get an appointment, but it hasn't been easy. He also looked into getting one for his 71-year-old wife, and the response over the state's 211 hotline was surprising.
I get this young lady on the phone, and she said to me, "Oh yeah, they're changing it all the time. You can get it at 65.
On Monday, the CDC and health officials with Operation Warp Speed urged states to begin vaccinating those 65 and older immediately.
And some states' heavy-handed micromanagement of this process has stood in the way of vaccines reaching a broader swath of the vulnerable population more quickly.
For added incentive, states will now compete against each other for larger supply of vaccine.
We will be allocating them based on the pace of administration as reported by states.
ABC 15 has learned the VAPAC committee responsible for guiding the state's distribution has approved the recommendation today. State health officials announced this afternoon an estimated 750,000 more Arizonans 65 and older can now receive the vaccine. Then there's this, 100 million doses in 30 days. Officials with the National Association of Chain Drugstores say the federal government has activated the Federal Pharmacy Partnership Program to provide vaccines to retail pharmacies for Phase 1B and beyond. This program will leverage more than 40,000 pharmacies across the nation to get vaccine out of the freezers and into the arms of Americans. To achieve 100 million vaccinations in 30 days, those 40,000 locations would need to do about 83 vaccinations a day over a 12-hour period, averaging about 7 vaccinations an hour. And for folks like Frank, every effort to speed the process up is a welcomed sight.
At my age, I'm very nervous about this and my conditions. I want to get it as soon as possible.
Health leaders with Operation Warp Speed and the CDC are expected to make a formal announcement on expanding to pharmacies on Thursday. That's when we'll also learn which pharmacies in our state will be providing the vaccine. I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15, Arizona.